By keeping this template up to date, it will be easier for you to, for example, write an application for research funding or present information for potential partners or investors, as well as report results to the university, formulate an innovation strategy in the research group, and speak to media. So what are the benefits? Well, for example, when you need funding, it will be easier for the investors to see what you actually own. The team spirit in your EU project will be greater when it's clear who gets to commercialize what comes out of the project. To have your assets well described is a great advantage when it comes to communicating results to potential investors or future collaborators, so keep your assets up to date.